Imagine a world where nuclear weapons no longer exist. No threat of nuclear war, no arms race, and no fear of nuclear disaster. Would that world be safer, or would it open the door to other forms of conflict and warfare? This is a question that global leaders and security experts grapple with every day. Nuclear weapons have been a significant part of international relations since the mid-20th century. Today, 9 countries are known to possess these devastating weapons. They are the United States, Russia, the United Kingdom, France, China, India, Pakistan, Israel, and North Korea. The United States and Russia are the 2 biggest players in this arena. They collectively possess around 12,560 nuclear warheads. That's more than 90% of the world's total nuclear arsenal. How's that for a cold, hard fact? Then we have the United Kingdom, France, and China, all permanent members of the United Nations Security Council. The United Kingdom has around 225 nuclear warheads. France has around 290, and China's arsenal contains approximately 320. In Asia, India and Pakistan, 2 neighboring countries with a history of conflict, have comparable numbers of nuclear weapons. Both countries possess between 150 to 170 nuclear warheads. Israel, although never officially admitting to having nuclear weapons, is widely believed to have around 90 warheads. North Korea, despite international sanctions and isolation, has managed to develop an estimated 40 to 50 nuclear warheads. These numbers, while approximations, give us a sense of the scale and distribution of nuclear weapons globally. They underline the power dynamics in our world and the ongoing threat of nuclear warfare. But what does this all mean for global security? On one hand, some argue that nuclear weapons have deterred major wars since World War II by creating a balance of terror, a concept known as nuclear deterrence. On the other hand, the existence of these weapons poses a constant risk of catastrophic destruction, whether by accident, miscalculation, or deliberate use. In conclusion, the question of nuclear weapons and global security is complex and multifaceted. It involves understanding both the distribution of these weapons and the geopolitical context in which they exist. It involves grappling with the paradox of weapons that might deter war, yet could also cause unimaginable destruction. In today's discussion, we've covered the distribution of nuclear weapons across different countries and touched on their impact on global security. We've highlighted the concentration of nuclear power in the hands of a few nations, and we've pondered on the paradox of nuclear deterrence. Remember, in a world where nuclear weapons exist, the quest for peace, disarmament, and non-proliferation remains a vital goal for all of humanity. It's not just a matter of policy or politics, but a question of our collective survival. So, let us continue to ponder, discuss, and strive for a world free of nuclear weapons.